Stained glass is a beautiful and timeless art form. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, you will need a good starter kit to get started. Here are the 7 best starter kits for stained glass, according to our experts. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect starter kit for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the professional 16 pieces mosaic tile and stained glass startup tool kit. IMT mosaic tile and stained glass startup tool set is a popular choice among beginners owing to its comfort and ease of use. It has an excellent array of 16 tools for you to try that are vital for making stained glass. It contains 4 glass cutters of mixed styles, 3 different pliers, a leading knife, tweezers, glazing hammer, cutting square, fid, small suction cup, lead vise came, safety glasses, and protective gloves. All these tools have different functions to perform to help you with stained glass. This set also comes with an included carrying case to store the tools. Most users found it affordable, handy, and durable. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the professional 13 pieces mosaic tile and stained glass startup tool set. Thrive for precision, perfection will follow. This is a great quote to live by, and this tool set can help you turn it into reality. With the precision tools included in this kit, you'll be able to cut and break glass with ease. The 13-piece set includes a variety of tools like 3 mixed pliers, 4 glass cutters of different styles, a glazing hammer, a small suction cup, safety glasses, protective gloves, and more. It's also lightweight and can be used both indoors and outdoors. Whether you're a professional or a beginner, this toolset is perfect for anyone who wants to get great results. It comes with a carrying case to store all of the tools, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. At number 3 on our list, we have the ultimate stained glass startup kit. This kit proves to be an excellent choice among amateurs and professionals alike. It is cut out for different purposes, making it suitable for all users. The ultimate stained glass startup kit is a high-end product that is easy to use, maintain, and clean. It offers a broad spectrum of a whopping 27 tools including Glostar Superstar 2 glass grinder, flux brush, flux removers, soldering iron stand, and running pliers among many others. The glass grinder is a great investment due to its powerful motor and large work surface. The Hakko soldering iron is energy efficient and can work for longer duration. In addition to offering basic tools, it also consists of advanced tools like the homicide board that you may require for your future projects. The kit gives utmost importance to safety as it delivers safety glasses, a face shield with a lens, and an instruction manual. The excellent assortment of tools included in this kit makes it an impressive choice. It offers all the possible tools you would require to make tasks simple. Although the image on Amazon shows that the grinder is of Studio Pro brand, the actual product belongs to Glostar. This product has received warm reviews by verified buyers on Amazon, making it reliable and trustworthy. At number 4 on our list, we have the stained glass startup kit. If you are exploring and experimenting with stained glass, the stained glass startup kit by Dolphy Glass Store might help. This kit is ideal if you're newly stepping into the world of stained glass. It guarantees maximum savings. The startup kit consists of 13 different tools, out of which several are renowned brands like the Weller 100-watt soldering iron, Graphite glass grinder, etc. It has an inbuilt temperature controller that is responsible for maintaining temperature evenly. The tools are easy to use and award distinguished results. It also has a stained glass made easy DVD to help you learn and educate yourself as it contains different ideas to get the best results. It is medium priced and is handy indoors as well as outdoors. The seller also provides information that will link you to various websites for instructions regarding the tools. A lot of the reviews about this toolkit appreciated the eco-friendly packaging of the product and liked receiving a thank you note from the seller. At number 5 on our list, we have the Beginner Best Stained Glass Kit. A beginner-friendly kit will allow you to enjoy all that stained glass has to offer. One such kit is this kit by Nartique Glass brand. It weighs less, that makes it ideal for indoor and outdoor workspace. The exact number of pieces that it offers is not known. Although, it does offer a glass cutter, beginner pattern flux brush, cutting fluid fetcher, and safety glasses. The Hakko red soldering iron does not have a temperature controller. Additionally, it provides a solder stained glass basics book to guide you through the basics of soldering and welding. This will help you work on stained glass without any prior experience or knowledge. It also includes a variety of stained glass pieces of approximately 1 pound to help you get aboard the idea of stained glass. However, over time you will need more glass pieces if you want to make something bigger. It does not include a grinder, which you may need once you decide to try something advanced. At number 6 on our list, we have the Deluxe Stained Glass Tool Kit. This kit proves to be a fine choice for newbies to learn and row with. Deluxe Stained Glass Tool Kit is affordable and offers a great assortment of tools. It equips Super Cutter glass cutter, Weller 100-watt soldering iron, Studio Pro breaker, running pliers, flux remover, safety glasses, etc. The use of Weller soldering iron makes it fit for medium and heavy implementation. The comprehensive combination of hand tools provide all vital pieces to develop your newfound hobby. Super Cutters and Studio Pro are well-reputed and reliable brands that are an added benefit. Necessary tools like copper foil, FID, and burnisher will help you begin your stained glass project. And finally, at number 7 on our list, we have the Deluxe Stained Glass Startup Kit, 15 items. This kit could be your perfect friend with just the right set of tools. It is affordable and lets you have your dream stained glass starter kit. The sellers have come up with a terrific combination of their favorite tools and designed this admirable toolkit. Deluxe Stained Glass Startup Kit offers a collection of 15 tools that could be ideal to break the ice between you and your newfound hobby. It includes Glostar Superstar 2 grinder, Weller soldering iron, flux remover, ruler, marking pen, safety glasses, splash guard, among other tools. This combination of tools makes the kit ideal for beginners and a popular choice among them. It is fit for light to medium-sized implementation. There are no product reviews on Amazon. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.